for you, what is civic education?
Actually, in my own opinion, civic education, it has something to do with the point of view of every individual, which has something to do for its development as useful individual in the respective community and in the entire in the whole world.
So, what do you think is the relevance of civic participation for students?
It is very important to have this civic education to be integrated in all subject areas, not only in Panlipunan, because this is the foundation of every student as that we believe that they are the needs of our future. Share and embrace other people.
Last